Hello. Welcome all future data analysts. Today you are joining the first part of the SAS Basic Syntax series. Today I will explain what SAS is, which website is best for creating a SAS account, and the main basic syntax for SAS. SAS, Statistical Analytical System. SAS is statistical software developed to be used for data management, advanced analytic multivariate analysis, business intelligence, criminal investigation, and predictive analytics. If you're really new to SAS, first you have to create a SAS account. This is the website where you can create your SAS account. You can find this link in my video description below. This is the SAS interface. This is the window where we type SAS syntax. So let's move on to how to create a basic SAS program. In SAS, we are using some codes to develop the program. So basically, we are using several syntaxes for analysis. Here I am going to explain how to develop a basic SAS program. So the basic structure of the SAS program consists of 3 steps. There are data steps, data itself, and procedure steps. The data step consists of 3 lines. This is the first line. You have to type data syntax, and after that put your dataset name. It can be any name. So I'll type my data. After the end of the line, we have to put a semicolon mark to end the statement. Let's move on to the second line. The second line should be input. You have to type your dependent and independent variables name here. Let's say our variables names are age and blood pressure. So input space type age space type blood pressure BP. And don't forget to put a semicolon at the end of each statement. Card is the third line. So now we have completed the data step. Let's move on to the next step. Data itself. Here we can put our data. There are other ways to organize data, but this is the easiest way. First observation, age let's say 25 years and blood pressure 135. Don't put a semicolon mark here, because we have so many data to input. After end of all the data set, we can put semicolon mark. Let's say we have 10 participants. So we have 10 observation. After entering all 10 observation, you can put semicolon mark. Second observation, 21 years and 145 blood pressure. 32 age, 155 blood pressure, 45 age, 166 BP, 42 age, 169 BP, 32 years old, 120 BP, 21 years old, 112 BP, 18 age, 120 BP, 22, 120 BP, 26 years old, 125 BP. That's all. This is age column and this is blood pressure column. Now you can put semicolon mark here. Data itself step is over. Let's move on to the procedure step. Procedure step start with proc syntax. Proc space print semicolon. So now our program is completed. So we should run this program. So we have to type run and put semicolon. There is a symbol of running man, so you have to click that symbol to run our program. Finally, this is our output results. So this is the fundamental structure of the SAS program. I will show you how to do analytical techniques using SAS in the next video.